4 lead capture page tips that guarantee high conversions. You've probably read that before and decided you don't really want to try to learn the lead capture process. If you are like most, you are probably right there. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 4 lead capture page tips that guarantee high conversions. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. It is a long and tedious process that takes a lot of time and effort to master, not to mention costs you a pretty penny. Well, I am here to tell you that those who have come before you will not be disappointed with your lack of knowledge. That's why here are 4 lead capture page tips that guarantee high conversions. It is best to stick to the basics when starting out. The lead capture page has to be easy to understand, so firstly make sure you know what keywords are used in your industry and how to use them. This is best done through experimentation with the various ways of incorporating keywords. You may find that the first keyword tool you come across simply doesn't work for your business, or that your business has a completely different need. Once you have a good idea of the types of queries people ask for and the keywords they use to search for answers, you have to learn how to capture their names and email addresses. This is the heart of your lead capture page. Without it, your campaigns are a waste of time. There are many ways to do this, but I recommend using an autoresponder. It is free and you can set it up with just a couple of simple clicks. You want to offer the best value to your leads. The best way to do this is to provide a free report or ebook, then follow up with an e-newsletter or 2 as well. It is best to provide valuable information that your prospects will value. Lead capture pages can be a great way to generate leads. However, you cannot just throw up a page and expect it to guarantee conversions. There are several methods that can be used to ensure you get more qualified leads. Some are a waste of time, while others can bring in guaranteed sales. There are a few simple lead page tips that you can use to improve the results of your efforts. First, your title and headline need to be eye-catching. Do not waste your time creating a boring ad or page. People have short attention spans. If they don't open it immediately, chances are they won't ever see it. Put your biggest benefit in the headlines and title to draw them in. Second, make sure your page is complete with all necessary call-to-action statements. Without these statements, the reader will not know what to do next. These calls to action will guide them through the buying cycle. If you want to improve your conversion rates, make sure you include these key factors. Last, make sure your offers are of value to your readers. It is best to offer free information that will help your readers improve their businesses. This way, they will be more apt to follow through with your lead capture. Free offers can drive lots of traffic to your website and can also improve your conversion rates. Use this advice to improve your traffic generation strategies. Your landing page is the page where visitors leave your site. It is best to focus a lot of time and effort on this page. Make sure it is visually appealing so that visitors will stay longer. The title should be catchy, but use words that target your audience. Also, make sure your landing page is rich with content that encourages your readers to take action. Now you have your lead capture page. You must ensure that you have an opt-in form on each page. You can ask visitors to sign up for your list by giving them an incentive. It may be a free product or a gift card. Whatever incentive you give will improve your chances of getting targeted leads. Once your targeted leads are on your list, you can communicate with them regularly to keep in touch. When you have built up a large list of leads, you will be able to send emails to these leads to market your product or service to them. Make sure you get these emails from a reliable source. Avoid sending out spam, as this can damage your reputation as well as your leads' trust in you. Monitoring and following up with your leads can help you build a very strong business. Thanks for watching my video about 4 lead capture page tips that guarantee high conversions. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.